Very good day to all. Myself Bhavna Kalani. I am dietitian in UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center. Today's my presentation topic is healthy food habits to keep disease away. Healthy food habits to keep disease away meaning healthy food habits क्या है? Healthy food habits refers to conscious practice of making nutritious, balanced and mindful food choice that support physical, mental and emotional well-being. Tips for healthy food habits. Healthy food habits are essential for overall well-being for nutritious and balanced diet. उसमें सबसे पहले eat a balanced diet. Balanced diet लेना चाहिए. It means include a variety of food groups like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein and healthy fats. Focus on colorful plates. See the food pyramid. ये फूड पिरामिड में हमको ये बताया जाता है कि जो बड़ा पार्ट है वो हमको ज्यादा मात्रा में लेना चाहिए, ज्यादा खाना चाहिए. लाइक ग्रेन्स एंड सीरियल्स हमको ज्यादा मात्रा में लेना चाहिए. फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स भी लेना चाहिए अच्छी मात्रा में. मीट, पोल्ट्री, फिश, एग्स, ड्राई बीन्स है, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स है, वो भी हमको लेना चाहिए पर थोड़ा कम मात्रा में, मॉडरेट अमाउंट में लेना चाहिए. और सबसे कम मात्रा में हमको फैट, ऑयल, सॉल्ट है और स्वीट्स है वो सबसे कम मात्रा में लेना चाहिए. Then control portion size. Avoid overeating by practicing portion control. Use small plates and bowl to manage serving size. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Limit sugary drinks like soda and energy drinks. Then limit processed food. Processed food हमको कम लेना चाहिए. Choose fresh and whole fruits over processed or packed foods. Reduce the intake of added sugar, salt and unhealthy fat. Then eat mindfully. जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं वो concentrate करके खाना चाहिए. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Avoid screens during meals. खाना खाने के टाइम मोबाइल या टीवी का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए. Plan and prepare meals. Plan meals ahead to make healthier choice. Cook at home whenever possible to control the ingredients. Then incorporate fiber. हमारे खाने में फाइबर का इस्तेमाल भी ज्यादा करना चाहिए. लाइक फूड हाई इन फाइबर लाइक फ्रूट्स है, वेजिटेबल्स है, होल ग्रेन्स है, लेग्यूम्स है, वो सब लेना चाहिए. जो फाइबर होता है हेल्प्स विद डाइजेशन एंड कीप योर फुल ऑफ हंगर. देन चूज हेल्दी स्नैक्स. जो भी हम हेल्थ स्नैक्स सिलेक्ट करते हैं वो हेल्दी लेना चाहिए. ऑप्ट फॉर नट्स, सीड्स, योगर्ट और फ्रेश फ्रूट इंस्टेड ऑफ चिप्स और कैंडी. अब बात करते हैं हेल्दी डाइट टू प्रिवेंट डिसीज. हमको डिसीज को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हेल्दी डाइट कैसे हेल्पफुल होता है. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द प्रिवेंशन वी यूजुअली रिफर टू प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंशन. मोर रिसेंटली द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ primordial prevention has been added to the list. While all three present some similarities, they differ in starting times and effects, and modification of dietary pattern toward a healthy diet might apply to each of the three steps of prevention. उसमें first primary prevention. Primary prevention aims to keep an individual at risk of condition from having a first event or developing the disease fully. जब डिसीज नहीं होता है उससे पहले जो प्रिवेंशन किया जाता है वो प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन कहलाता है. प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन फोकस ऑन कंट्रोलिंग द रिस्क फैक्टर इंक्लूडिंग मेकिंग हेल्दी लाइफ चेंजेस. हमारे लाइफ चेंजेस करने के लिए खाना अच्छे से खाना, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रखना, गुड फीलिंग रखना, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रखना, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करना, वो प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन में आता है. देन सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंशन. Secondary prevention aims to avoid the return of the disease or event in an individual who already had a such condition. Already disease हो चुका है पर आगे बढ़े नहीं, disease आगे ना हो, उसके लिए जो prevention किया जाता है वो secondary prevention कहलाता है. Changes in dietary pattern along with the physical activity focus on individual and for instance can prevent a second heart attack and an individual who suffer from a previous myocardial infarction. This ultimately reduce the risk of early death. It may sound obviously, but the main killer among individual who survive a first myocardial infarction in a second heart attack. Then primordial prevention has been recently introduced. अभी अभी नया ही आया है, उसका मेन एम क्या होता है? एम एट द अवॉइडिंग द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रिस्क फैक्टर इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, working on the mechanism underlying the specific condition such as inflammation, atherosclerosis and endothelium dysfunction among others. Ideally, primordial prevention can be start from childhood. Therefore, it is never too early to develop healthy eating habits. देन बात करते हैं हम जो हमारी हेल्दी सिस्टम्स है उसके लिए डाइट कैसे हेल्पफुल होता है. हेल्दी डाइट फॉर हेल्दी सिस्टम्स लाइक फर्स्ट इज कार्डियोवास्कुलर इवेंट. हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल पैटर्न लाइक हेल्दी डाइट, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी एंड अवॉइडिंग स्मोकिंग माइट dramatically reduce the risk of cardiovascular event over a long term of follow up. Then second healthy system है immune system. Immune system के लिए भी डाइट बहुत रिस्पॉन्स जरूरी है. द इम्यून सिस्टम इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड pervasive involving nervous cell type that either circulation in the bloodstream. Several micronutrients such as zinc, iron, selenium, vitamin C, vitamin D play a key role on phases to immune response, being critical for the function of immune cells. A diet that lacking one or more nutrient can have a negative impact on activity of immune system. For example, it is now common understanding that maternal nutrient deficiency during pregnancy may alter the different degree the humoral or and cell mediated immune response to newborn babies. Further evidence supporting the complex cross links between the diet, metabolism and immune system is provided by the role of adipose tissue is producing adipocytokinase that can stimulate the inflammatory process. Vascular inflammation and oxidative stress are now recognized as a major trigger for the cardiovascular events. Then bone and skeletal system के लिए ये भी डाइट बहुत जरूरी है. Dietary habits are important factor that influence the development and maintenance of bone mass and play key role in a prevention of a disease affecting the bone metabolism such as osteoporosis. Calcium is a nutrient most commonly associated with the development and metabolism of bone mass. Many published studies show that low calcium intake throughout the life is associated with the low bone mass and higher fracture rates. Correct intake of calcium during the pre-pubertal age among which genetic factor contribute to the physiological development of bone mass reaching its peak at the end of the growth. Once the bone mass has developed, healthy dietary pattern and regular physical activity helps to maintain the bone mass gain and reduce the loss. However, other micronutrients like vitamin A, C, E, K and minerals like phosphorus, fluoride, zinc, iron, copper and boron are similar necessary for the physiological bone metabolism. बॉन के लिए योगर्ट, स्पिनच है, वाइट ब्रेड्स है, तिल है, टोफू है, मिल्क है, वो बहुत जरूरी है. देन बात करते हैं अभी स्किन के लिए भी डाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. द रोल ऑफ डाइट हैज बीन एन एस्पेक्ट विथ लेस फोकस देन अदर टॉपिक when referred to skin disorder, which has been limited mainly to the cosmetic aspect. It is now common understanding that changing in dietary pattern may modulate the course of some skin conditions, such as acne, or lower the risk of some skin cancer. It has been observed that diet consisting of food rich vitamin D and carotenoids are low in alcohol may lower the risk of melanoma. स्किन के लिए भी विटामिन डी वाला और कैरोटीनॉइड्स वाला डाइट बहुत जरूरी है. देन बात करते हैं नर्वस सिस्टम. नर्वस सिस्टम के लिए भी डाइट जरूरी है. देयर इज अ growing body of data supporting that dietary pattern are critical modifier of brain plasticity, impacting the health of central nervous system. Similar to physical activity, recent findings indicate that molecular events regulate the neurons and energy metabolism might be influenced by the changing in dietary pattern similar to physical activity. देन बात करते हैं फर्टिलिटी. फर्टिलिटी के लिए भी डाइट जरूरी. देयर आर सेवरल एलिमेंट्स दैट रेगुलेट द ह्यूमन फर्टिलिटी. दिस इंक्लूड्स व्हाट वी कंज्यूम इन आवर डाइट. It has been so that diet containing unsaturated fat, whole grains, vegetables and fish support the positive fertility outcome in both women as well as in men. Fertility boosting foods like eggs, walnut, berries, dairy products, beans, lentils बहुत जरूरी है. On the other hand, diet containing high level of sugar and saturated fat might have negative fertility outcome. Additionally, an extreme body mass index (BMI), either BMI less than 20 kg per meter square or greater than 30 unequal to 30 per meter square, has also been shown to associated with worse fertility outcome. देन बात करते हैं किडनी फंक्शन. किडनी फंक्शन के लिए डाइट जरूरी है. देयर आर ऑनगोइंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन इनटू बेस्ट स्ट्रेटेजी टू प्रिवेंट एडवर्स किडनी आउटकम इन पर्सन एट रिस्क ऑफ क्रोनिक किडनी डिसीज. Emerging evidence is showing a healthy diet is linked to more favorable kidney outcome. Researchers investigating best diet as a strategy to prevent or improve the renal disease. Linked to patterns such as a Mediterranean diet. Mediterranean diet rich in fruits, fiber and vegetable. The dietary approaches to top hypertension यानी DASH diet and other dietary patterns that are low in dietary acid load. In fact, the DASH diet specially aim to limit the sodium in the diet while introducing potassium, calcium and magnesium, all food rich in nutrients that might help to lower the blood pressure. Also, recent study emphasized the risk of high consumption of sugary beverages associated with an elevated risk of renal disease. In order to keep our kidney healthy, we should consider reducing the amount of sugar in our drinks. Then बात करते हैं practical tips for incorporating healthy food into our diet. Then first, plan your meals. Take some time to plan our food meal for a week. This will help you make sure are incorporating plenty of healthy food into your diet. Then start small. You don't have to make drastically changes to your diet all at once. Start by making some changes such as swapping out processed snacks for fruits and or nuts. Then make healthy swaps. Look for ways to make healthy swaps into your favorable recipe. For example, you can use olive oil instead of butter or swap out white rice for a brown rice. Then incorporate fruits and vegetables into every meal. Try to incorporate fruits and vegetables into every meal. You can add berries to your breakfast, have a salad with lunch or a roast vegetable with a dinner. Then snack smart. Choose healthy snacks such as nuts, seeds and fruits instead of processed snacks like chips and candy. Then choose lean protein. Choose lean protein such as a chicken, fish and bean instead of red meat. Then use herbs and spices for flavor. Use herbs and spices to add flavor to your meal instead of relying on salt and unhealthy fat. Then be mindful of portion size. Pay attention to portion size and make sure you are not overeating. Then keep healthy snacks on hand. Keep healthy snacks on hand such as cut up vegetables or fruits for when you need a quick snack. Then experiment with new recipes. Try new recipes that features healthy foods such as roasted vegetables or grilled fish. Experimenting with new flavor and ingredients can make healthy eating more enjoyable. Then pack your meals. Prepare and pack your own meal and snack to take with you to work or school. This allows you to control the ingredients and ensure that you are making healthy choice. Making small changes and finding way to incorporate healthy food habits into our diet can lead to big improvement in health over time. Diet is just one of the adjustable risk factor. We have to reduce our risk of developing serious health condition. Having a balanced diet among limiting calorie and alcohol intake to control the healthy weight, staying active and avoiding smoking are important dietary factors for the healthy life. Thank you.